Hi friends, it's me Divyam. It's nice to meet you after long. So, today we'll learn about a bit of organ systems and in detail. So, today we'll learn about four systems: circulatory, respiratory, nervous, and digestive. So, let's start. First is the circulatory system. So, the heart is a very important organ of our body. It keeps us healthy and strong. First, it starts from the heart, as you all know. From one chamber, the blood is deoxygenated. So we go from one chamber to the next. And by the way, there are four chambers. Then one valve takes us to the next chamber. Then we have to put oxygen in it to make it more healthy. So then the pulmonary valve takes it to the lungs. And the lungs put oxygen in it. And then they send it back to the next chamber in the heart. And then another valve. Then the next chamber. Then it sends it to the aorta. And then it sends it all over the body from top to bottom. Next is the respiratory system. We all need to take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide to survive.
Okay.
So, when we take oxygen, there's a bit of like dust and germs in the air. So, there's special hair in the nose that like removes all of it, and then it goes in the trachea or the windpipe. Yeah, you can call both. And then it takes it to the bronchi and the lungs, and the same process goes, but the opposite way for the carbon dioxide.
Okay. It comes out from the nose, the carbon dioxide.
Okay, so next is the nervous system. The brain is the main part of our body. We need it to survive the most. It's very important. It controls all the actions and functions of our body. Like the brain is the boss of our body, and all the organs are employees.
Okay. So,
So there are some kind of things called nerves. They tell the organs to do the actions. Like for example, I'm moving my hands, and the brain tells the nerve like, "Hey nerves, tell the organs to do this, do that, like that."
okay.
So the brain sends the message to the nerves, and then they do the action. Or when the nerves feel like hot or cold, they tell, "Oh brain, this is hot, it's cold," like that. So the nervous system is very important. And last but not the least, the digestive system. The digestive system, we need like food to eat. You all know, like sometimes you're hungry and you ask your mom or dad, like, "Mama, I want to eat," like that. So you have to take food, and there's a special process to digest it and give the nutrients so we can survive. So first, you like the teeth chew it, like that's basic. And then the tongue pushes it to the food pipe or esophagus. And then the esophagus takes it all the way down to the stomach. And it takes 4 hours for the stomach to digest, like the digestive juices. It takes 4 hours to digest, right?
That's why we say that we should eat early dinner and give some time for the digestion to the tummy before you sleep, right? Okay.
And the liver also gives a juice called bile, and the gallbladder sends it through the tube, and the pancreas also makes some digestive juices. And then the stomach takes it to the small intestine. The small intestine like makes a big round like this. It's so long. It's the length of a truck,
Okay.
but it's like mixed up.
Okay.
And it absorbs the nutrients and gives it to the blood. As you know, we talked about it in the circulatory thing. and then the remaining waste goes to the large intestine.
Mm-hmm.
It's called large intestine because it's thicker than the small intestine, where the small intestine is like 5 times longer.
Okay.
And then,
The small intestine is more longer,
but it's more thin. Like
More thin.
small intestine is like
and
this,
large is called
like
large
this.
because it is more thicker.
But it's shorter. still.
Yeah. Okay.
So then it absorbs the water, and the remaining waste goes to rectum and anus. It sends it out of the body, like how you go to the washroom every day, like 2 or 3 times,
Okay.
Thank you, friends. Bye. Please subscribe and the bell icon. And sorry if I made any mistakes. Thank you. Bye, friends.